flapping noise fix. This seal right here comes loose, so there's 3 rivets on it that'll keep it on, but the double-sided tape right here is underneath here as well, and when this dries out and comes loose, this will start flapping when you go on the freeway. Sometimes it doesn't happen, but see this one? Drilled it right here. Drill those out without drilling the metal, just the plastic, and then that should pop off. Used a blade and just spent some time scraping that off. Glass cleaner, foaming glass cleaner to give it some lubrication so it slides easier. And then, so here it is out. And the new double-sided tape on here. And then I just poked holes with my knife through the spots where the rivets go. Now it's gonna sit in here like this. So this is the rivet I'm using, 3/16 by 3/8 right here. So right now I got one rivet in, so that I stuck it in first before sticking the double-sided tape on to make sure the holes lined up. And now I can get another one. There we go. Next one is in.